Hello everybody, I'm Sammy from HackerBotnet, and today I'm going to show you how you can use HackerBotnet in order to find and download cheats, mod hacks, bots, whatever, for any game that you're looking to cheat in and on any platform that you may be playing on. So all you basically do is you head over to HackerBotnet. Of course, you can do that by just going to HackerBotnet or just searching for HackerBot in Google or whatever search engine that you may or may not be using, and you'll get to HackerBot.net. Now, on the main page, what you will see is a big button that says Find the Cheats, okay? You want to click that or tap, if you're on mobile, of course, that button. Alternatively, if you're looking to not just download ready-made hacks for yourselves, but you want to actually mod or hack the game yourself, then you have a huge list of game cheating tools and apps for any kind of platform, Android, iOS, Windows, that you could download right here down below. But for the rest of you guys that just want to download something and use it, go to Find Cheats. Now, this is a search that will search legitimate websites for the cheats that you are specifically looking for. Alright, now, they are legitimate websites, but that does not necessarily mean that every post on these forums, most of them are forums, is legitimate. So there is still a risk. And in general, if you're downloading free hacks or free cheats for any game, there's always a risk involved. So please, guys, listen to me carefully when I explain to you guys how to determine if a cheat or hack that you will find on this should actually be downloaded or not, because you do not want to get banned from the game that you're playing, especially if it's an online game. So let us move on and carefully do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna enter whatever game. This works for any game, any platform, anything, okay? It works for Android games, iOS games, games that run on a toaster, games that run on a potato, whatever, everything, okay? So in this case, I'm gonna go for Roblox, let's say Android hack or mod, and we will find stuff. Okay, we will find stuff. Now, let's just have a look at an example. I'm pretty sure this one won't actually work, but it's just an example. By this, you will understand a bit better how to determine if you should download something or not. Now, in this case, from the beginning, the thread title says outdated and the person that posted the hack, that you can, by the way, still download, is banned. So that is a very good example of something you should definitely not download ever. Alright? Now, the website that this is on, MPGH, is a legitimate website, and a lot of people post legitimate cheats on this website. Okay? However, this person right here that has been banned and posted this hack seems to be not quite as legitimate, okay? And that is very important. Now, let's assume this person wasn't banned and so on, and you wanted to find out whether this hack is still working, okay? And this is a very important thing. Keep in mind, and keep this in mind, guys. This is openly available to anyone that has internet access, right? Which includes the game developers who want to ban cheaters, alright? They can download this file, they can have a look at it, they can ban anyone who uses it. So it's important to go into the comments of whatever you're downloading for free out there, okay? Whatever. You need to make sure that the person that posted is a reputable source. You can usually see that by how many thanks they received, their reputation, their posts, and so on. And then you want to go into the comments, and ideally you would want people to confirm this hack to be working within 24 hours of whenever you're planning to use the hack, okay? Else you will risk getting banned. Now, in this particular case, the last post was made in 2016. So it's safe to assume that this is outdated by this point, I think. So this would be a no when it comes to downloading this hack. Now, if you want to find more hacks like that, you could use the sections of whichever forum you're on, to go up one layer, and maybe you'll find more hacks for the game that you're looking to hack. In this there's one, for example, Roblox Lumber Tycoon. Let's have a look at that. Maybe that's more recent. That's 2016 as well. So probably not going to want to download that. Nobody's confirming it working within the last 24 hours either. That's actually, no, well, that's not recent either. So no. Let's say no to that one as well. Let's go back to HackerBotnet. Let's find something else. Let's go for example, Roblox iOS mod. Let's try that. There's something for iOS 11. Let's just have a look at it. And again, same thing, different forum. The forum itself, pretty legitimate. People on it that are posting, not necessarily so legitimate. However, what I can see here, when I look at the forum profile of who posted the hack, I can see that he has 7,000 likes or reputation, which is probably pretty good. 700 posts and some awards on this forum, and he's in some clubs as well. So this person is not banned. That's one thing. That's good, right? It's a good sign. So this hack was posted on the August 19th, so at least this year. So that might still work, it could still work. But before we're downloading this hack, of course, what we are going to do is we're going to a lot of likes on this post as well, so that's good. That's another good sign. That's another on the plus side sign. Let's go to the end of the comments again. In this case, that will be page 29 and 30. There's people that are saying that they're testing it 16 hours ago. That's interesting. There's one guy, not very good English. Thanks, men, hack good. Okay, well, I'm not trusting it just yet. No. 10 hours ago. 10 hours ago, hope it still works. 5 hours ago, sick. Okay, that's not very, doesn't say very much. Okay, here's one guy, 5 hours ago, gay. Yup, this doesn't even work. Okay. This is a guy with 12 posts, is in one club. Okay, well, let's go back a little bit. Cool, let's trio, thanks, GH, the downgrade version doesn't work anymore. Cool, yeah, thanks, thanks. Okay, well, these comments aren't very helpful. Nice, homie, nice. Just, by the way, no longer works even on the correct app version because they have pop-up that blocks you. Okay, so this is very important. This was posted a few weeks ago at this point, but this is a reputable member, as you can see, has 500 reputation, almost 150 posts, and he basically said that it no longer works because they have a pop-up that blocks you. And that is really, there's a lot of bad comments on this one that are like, yo, thanks, and so on. But that is the one that you have to look for. A reputable person commenting on it that tried the app, or the hack, or the cheat, or whatever. And this guy says it no longer works on September the 25th, which is about, 3-ish weeks ago, right? So it's pretty safe to say at this point that it's not working anymore, even if we're taking into account the last comment from 5 hours ago. It doesn't even work. Not as reputable of a source, 12 posts, no likes. But at this point, it's pretty safe to assume, considering the very reputable person that commented on this, that this hack doesn't work any longer, alright? Anyways, so that's how you find out whether a hack is worth downloading or not. Of course, a lot of the things that I'm explaining to you guys here is common sense, but it's just very, very important. If you're downloading free hacks from the internet, that you make sure it's confirmed working within the last 24 to 48 hours. That way you minimize the risk of getting banned. You will never be able to get rid of that risk. The only way to almost get rid of the risk of getting banned is to actually use paid hacks, which leads us to my next actual subject, okay? On the same page, if you go, of course, to HackerBotnet to find cheats, you will also find a link that will lead you to our ProFinder, rather. This is it's the same finding tool, actually, as this one, but it searches websites that are offering paid hacks, paid bots, paid mods, and so on. So that is really the only way you're gonna almost certainly avoid bans, and that is to pay for the cheat that you're using. Now, these are private cheats, private hacks, private bots that are not openly available, publicly available for download, which means the developers are going to have a much harder time to ban them. Also, they are maintained by actual programmers all the time. Now, the thing about free hacks is a guy programs a hack for Roblox, for example, and then because he's doing it for free and all he basically does it for is to get some thanks from people, there's no incentive for him to update that hack over and over and over again. And a good hack needs to be updated every time the game gets updated, else it will simply stop working or get detected, okay? And people doing it for free, they do it once and then they don't do it again for months, sometimes years, or never, okay? So free working hacks are very rare and they are very, very short-lived, okay? Usually they last for a few weeks or a few days and then they're banned. However, paid hacks, as you would find in our paid sheets finding tool, ProFinder, they don't get updated because they're maintained by actual programmers that make sure that they keep working, all right? Because usually you pay a subscription fee to get access to these, and you pay that every month or every year or whatever. And with that money, you basically pay for the time of the programmers that are making sure that the hack stays undetected and stays working all the time, thus guaranteeing that you will have the cheat whenever you want to use it. And that is how the world works. I mean, if you want something that is good quality, you have to pay for it. Usually, well, nothing's free in life, and same goes for cheats. You're always paying somehow. With free cheats, you're paying with a huge risk of getting banned. With paid cheats, you pay with money and make sure that your account has the lowest possible rate of getting banned or chance of getting banned. I've personally used paid cheats for a long time. I don't at this point, but that's just because I have too much work to do and not so much time to play games anymore. And I've never been banned from any game really because I paid to have. I'm not saying that you guys have to pay for cheats. I'm not saying that. I'm not affiliated with anyone selling cheats, so there's nothing for me to gain. I'm just telling you how it is. If you want something to work always, whenever you want it to work, then you're gonna have to pay for it. And even then, it's not 100% guaranteed. With free cheats, you're really at the mercy of, is someone able to hack the game? Are they willing to do it for free or not? And how long is this cheat going to work? If it works, will it work in a week, in 2 weeks, and so on? You really, this is a scrappy version, but it's free. And the paid cheats are the version that's going to work, but it costs money. So those are the options that you have. And yeah, that's essentially it. I thank you guys very much for watching. This is how you use HackerBotnet to find and download cheats. Please use your discernment. Please use your common sense. If something sounds too good to be true, if someone is posting something and their reputation looks awful, please don't trust them. Be very careful. There are people that are posting malware. There are people that are posting scams, spam, and so on these websites. I can't guarantee that everything on these websites that you will find here is legitimate, but there are legitimate cheats there. especially in our paid finder cheats. Not all of these are always up to date. But yeah, with the free finder, be very, very careful. Use your common sense. And if something sounds too good to be true, don't trust it. If a user doesn't look trustworthy, doesn't have any reputation, has an account that's 1 day old, has 0 posts, and is posting the most amazing hack, be very, very, very careful. Let other people test it for you. People that have a virtual machine set up or an emulator that can be hacked, and they wouldn't bother them at all. Wait for them to test it, and then once they confirm it to be working, once a reputable source confirms something to be working, then it's worth taking the risk. Also, I recommend that you always, when you're using free cheats, use it on a alternate account rather. I'm sorry. Before using on your main account, especially if you've invested any kind of money into your main account. All right, use an emulator, use anything, use another computer, just don't use it on your main account to begin with if it's a free cheat. Okay, with paid cheats you can take that risk. It's not that big of a risk with paid cheats, but with free cheats be very, very, very careful, because you do not want to lose your game account. Anyways, guys, this is I use HackerBotnet to find cheats. You can also download our Android app if you want to do so at the free finder page. And yeah, anyways, thanks you guys for watching. I hope this helps, and as always, keep it tuned to HackerBotnet for all your game hacking and cheating needs. Goodbye and have a nice one.